Imagine that you are a translation company. A client asks you to deliver a translation memory after a project. The TM is valuable. It contains years of work, client knowledge, repeated terminology, and professional effort. But hidden inside it, there may be vendor IDs, translator names, reviewer names, internal user traces, old metadata, or information you simply do not want to expose. And suddenly, a file that should prove your professionalism may reveal things your client was never supposed to see. You want the resource to carry your company identity, not the names of every vendor who touched the file.
Now imagine that you are a freelance translator. You handled a large project, maybe with help from another trusted colleague. Then you reviewed everything, corrected everything, finalized everything, and delivered the work under your own professional responsibility. But the file may still contain other names, machine traces, old users, or metadata that do not represent the final delivery. That is not just a technical detail. That is your reputation, your identity, your client-facing work. Now imagine that you open an old translation memory after years of work. You find repeated mistakes, outdated terminology, inconsistent translations, useless segments, tags everywhere, and thousands of entries that nobody has time to clean manually. The resource is valuable, but it needs maintenance. This is why I built TWAS Universal Sanitizer. Resource Sanitizer helps you clean sensitive metadata before sharing, archiving, or delivering your files. Safe structured maintenance opens the resource in a controlled grid where you can search, filter, edit, replace, review, and save safely with backups. Plain text skip tags maintenance lets you focus on the real translation text without being distracted by formatting tags and technical noise.
And if the resource is huge, hundreds of thousands or even millions of segments, Index Massive Resource builds a searchable index so you can maintain large resources without waiting forever. Once indexed, you can reopen the resource, update the index, search, replace, and continue your work later instead of starting from zero. This is not just a cleaning tool. It is a maintenance workshop for translators, agencies, reviewers, and language teams who understand the real value of clean resources. Because a translation memory is not just a file. It carries your work, your history, your identity, your clients, your terminology, and sometimes things you should never share by mistake. Before you send it, before you archive it, before you reuse it, sanitize it, maintain it, and take control of it. This is TWAS Universal Sanitizer.